Okay, you sing too, Bill. Here we go. Are you ready, Gavin? You sing.
Okay.
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay!
All right, let's try another
Clap,
one.
clap, clap.
Grandpa's recording.
Okay, let's try. We didn't like that Sleep Pooh Bear song.
Which one?
We're skipping some pages here somewhere. Yeah, let's find out. Oh, here's a lullaby. Oh, let's sing. Are you sleeping? Here we go. It's the little baby room.
Gavin,
Let's
this.
find it. Here it is. Are you sleeping, little Roo? Little Roo. Nightingales are singing, nightingales are singing. Tra-la-la.
Tra-la-la.
Okay, now we have lullaby.
Let's, Gavin, let's see you smile.
I am good night. You're your mother's delight. Mama's right here tonight. My darling, sleep tight. Soft and warm in your bed. Close your eyes, rest your head. Soft and warm is your bed. Close your eyes, rest your head. Ooh, some money.
All done.
We all done?
Is it night? Is it night time?
All right, let's get Michelle in there too.
Who's that? The mama. The mama. Mama.
Wave to the camera, everybody.
Say, hi, Grandpa.
Hey, Gavin, Gavin, Gavin. Gavin.
Oh.
All right, look, Gavin, look. All right,
Happy night.
time to